Hello producers, welcome to Sound. Today's video is about how to make drop like Avicii in FL Studio. Turn up the BPM to 134. What? Pray to FL Studio God. Yay! Make drum like this. Nice! Make melody for the drop. Now load up the silent one. If you are not good sound designer, don't worry, be happy and search for the silent pieces. Load up the several instances of the silent one and copy paste all the melody notes to the silent one. Look at all the leads and sidechain and everything. Add white noise for the background. And most important, bass. Chords. Arrange all the elements on the playlist and the drop is ready. Goodbye producers, make sure you hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe.